we are going to sterilize for lions and these are the bags we have made. I want us to change 2 bags and put them into the grow bags and leave the 2 bags. But you're going to help us to ensure that we have oxygen. So we are going to sterilize using pressure cooker. So what we do, these 2, we put them here and then these 2 remain here. The small one, can we get a smaller one of this one? Yeah, we will get smaller ones such that it's easy to work with. So this is sawdust. There is nothing much more. Do we have to add anything? Yeah. Well, I'm not used to using pressure, to using grow bags, so. So this is the pressure cooker we are going to use. It looks small. You remember the other time? Are we supposed to put around? Clothes around? Yeah. You remember the other time when I cooked them and they burst?
Oh,
Yeah. Did you see that post?
didn't get to see that place.
You didn't see?
I didn't look at it.
So, what do we do? I learned a lesson the other time. There is no air. Want it to burst? How do we do it? I'm learning from you. For you,
Ah, right, okay.
in UK you use this. For me, I'm using it. Here.
Hold it down.
Fold it there. Let me see. Experience is the best teacher. If you want your daughter to stop playing with fire, let your daughter get
Get that.
There we go. So that one is for the lion's milk. We have 4 bags. It needs oxygen.
Yeah, they need oxygen. It's okay for like 2 weeks without.
Picking spawn from the bottles,
Yes.
getting it on the plate, and then after that it's going to be inoculated in our bags.
And we
These
use
ones.
millet as the grain.
So the grain that was used is millet grain, and that is how it looks like. Wow, look at Odetta smiling while Evelyn is very hungry.
Now I think we should first use that so that we don't expose it so much.
This is how the grain we are going to use looks like after getting it from the bottles.
So inoculating the bags with the spawn. That is mixing it.